Example 1, finding all solutions of a trigonometric equation. Solve the equation 3 sine x minus 2 equals 5 sine x minus 1. Step 1 is to isolate the function on one side of the equation. So let's go ahead and rewrite the equation. 3 sine x minus 2 equals 5 sine x minus 1. Now we can subtract 5 sine x from both sides. We'll cancel on the right. And on the left, 3 minus 5 is negative 2 sine x minus 2 equals negative 1. Now we can add 2 to both sides. So we have negative 2 sine x equals 1. Divide both sides by negative 2. And then we're left with sine x equals negative 1/2. So here we have isolated the function on one side of the equation. So to summarize, the first thing we did was we subtracted 5 sine x from both sides. And we were able to say 3 minus 5 is negative 2 sine x. And I wanted to point out that step specifically because you can use that sine term or that cosine term or tangent term or whatever trig term you're using as though it's a single term in and of itself, just like you would use 2x. But it just so happens that there's a sign attached to it. And then from there, the next step that we took was we were trying to solve for x, so we were able to isolate the negative 2 by adding 2 to both sides. And then we were able to isolate the x by dividing the negative 2 from both sides. And that left us with sine x on one side and then the negative 1/2 on the other side.